Yes. This is...
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clarke County and southwestern Arkansas, eastern Hot Spring County and southwestern Arkansas until 4:45 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Arkadelphia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Arkadelphia, Malvern, Rockport, Caddo Valley, Gum Springs in Clarke County, Donaldson, Friendship, Central, Social Hill, Lower Lake Recreation Area, Lake Catherine State Park, Midway in Hot Spring County,
Another tornado
June and
warning.
Luno. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 68 and 97. You are the latest weather conditions at 3 p.m. At Little Rock, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 69 degrees. At North Little Rock, the temperature was 67, dew point 59, humidity 70.
If you're in this area, the enhanced risk zone here, hold on. Stay safe out there. Hey guys, I'm eventually thinking about moving all of my out of Illinois or out of my listening area EASs over live stream stuff like that, like over Weather Underground to like a different channel someday, but that is just a preliminary plan, so just letting you know. So anyways guys, thanks for watching.